up guys, it's your girl Purvi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my experience with the Bobbi Brown concealer and powder, right? Concealer and powder kit. If you are new to my channel, then I had reviewed this product I think a few months back. Gonna be linking it right over here for you guys to see how it looks on my skin, how to use it, and whether you guys should go and purchase it, and is the powder required, what's the tea. Let me tell you why it looks like a mess. Firstly, the problem was that I actually forgot my makeup kit in the car, and it was very sunny that day, and the concealer melted.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into
and it was all over the place, so I think I wasted a little bit. It like stuck to the mirror, completely ruined the entire kit. As soon as I got to know, I got it inside and I was like, shit, what a waste, because it's very costly. At least for me it's costly, I don't know. Wasting makeup, and nowadays makeup is so expensive, like even you waste, I'm so scared of wasting it for no reason. I only apply when I know I'm going to be clicking good pictures and going to a good place. One thing that I would like to share with you guys is this powder. I think that any other powder might go with it, to be honest. Whatever powder that you're using on your face could be used for your under eye or whichever area you're going to be using the concealer. I do not think you need to purchase this kit specifically. You can go ahead with, see, now the thing with me is I do not apply foundations. Use this kit to apply in the area where it's a little uneven, to get it to its place. Obviously I am head over heels in love with this product. It is probably the best concealer I've ever used, and it covers your uneven skin and your dark circles like magic. Again, if you want to go and check my video, then please go ahead. I really talk in depth about this product. So yeah, I think what I will do is I will be purchasing the same color concealer in a tube format, in any other form which consists a lot of this product, because this is definitely not enough for me. I was just going through their website, and they do sell the concealer separately, so I would definitely go ahead and buy it separately. Secondly, it is worth it. It is so damn worth it. On my mom's skin also, it worked brilliantly on her skin as well. I have never found a proper concealer to cover dark circles for her, and this was just, even she was shocked when her dark circles were covered. The color again that I used is, the concealer was in golden color and the powder was in pale yellow color. It is a pressed powder, sheer finish pressed powder in pale yellow color. And if you have my skin tone, then you can go ahead with a golden concealer. Yet again, I would really recommend them. Please go to the Bobbi Brown store and actually figure out the exact color that you own, because I had a really bad experience by ordering it online and getting a ridiculous color, and it was a waste of money. If you want to know which product I'm talking about, then I'm going to be uploading another video where I'll be talking about that product. So if you want to know about it, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that is it for the video guys. I really don't know what else should I be talking about. Have a fantastic day, and please keep smiling and spread love. Bye.